Hi fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, hi, my name is Christine. Welcome to the fam. Click on that subscribe button to be part of this amazing family. In today's video, I want to share with you essential makeup items that you will need if you are thinking about starting your makeup journey, if you are thinking about starting to apply makeup. This is your sign that you should definitely start, and I will be sharing with you guys a few items that you can purchase to start that makeup kit on a budget. So keep watching if you want to know. So a good moisturizer is a must for your foundation to sit properly. Okay, so the second thing that you need is an eye pencil. This is the Davis pencil in number 18. It's almost done, as you can see, but it's what I'm gonna use. Please don't use a black eye pencil on your eyebrows because it makes you look crazy. The second thing that you need is actually a concealer. These go for 500 shillings only, and they are the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in Cool Tan. So when you get this, get a shade lighter than you. When you go there, you can ask them for a shade that is lighter than you. Mine I get at Beauty Bar at Jamia Mall Beauty Bar, and they sell them for 500 shillings, which is affordable. So the first thing I do is I line under my eyebrows. You guys know this if you watched my previous tutorial, which I recently did.
I'm alone in the dark, can I be where you are? You were gone from the start, now you tear me apart. Trust, but you treated me like I couldn't see. I thought you were the one, but I know that I'll never be the girl that you need. You need. You feel the same if you were at the back of her mind. Suddenly the rain has wiped away the.
Then after that, I'm gonna take this concealer, and what I do is I put it in the inner corner of my eye, and here at the end of my eye at the outer corner.
Just from my own. I gave you my trust, but you treated me like I couldn't see. I thought you were the one, but I know that I'll never be the girl that you need. You need. You feel the same if you were at the.
As I was saying, beauty blenders are good when it comes to blending and making sure that your makeup sits well on your face. The next thing that you need, and this is I think the first thing that you should get, this foundation. Foundation is everything. Foundation can change your makeup game from 0 to 100 real quick. And when I talk about foundation, I'm talking about original foundations. You know guys, when I started applying makeup, I was not using original makeup. I won't even lie to you guys. I used to go to DUBOIS and I'd get the fakest of the foundations for 200 shillings, and I'd apply, and my friends would be like, oh my god, what's that? And I'd recommend it. They'd go and get there and get the foundations, which are not good for your skin because they are cheap, and the chemicals that are used could mess up your whole skincare routine and your whole skin and just take you back. So nobody needs that. We need a good foundation. Foundations now go all the way from 900 shillings to maximum. This Pauline Cosmetics is only 1400 or 1500 Kenya shillings. If you have dry skin like me, Pauline Cosmetics is such a good brand, and it's Kenyan, and they have all colors from the lightest to the darkest melanin color. So save some money, get you a good foundation. You will not regret. This can take me for like 3 months. So if you don't apply foundation, you can imagine how long this can last you if it lasts me 3 months. So get you a good foundation. Okay, so I want to try this trick that I've seen on TikTok. They put foundation, and then another thing you need, obviously guys, is a powder. This powder I got at Ken's Cosmetics, and this was only 600. This was 600 Kenya shillings, guys. It's not that expensive, and this bottle can go for months and months. Mixing powder and foundation. Let's see. Oh gosh, I hope this is not a disaster.
To the show.
We don't apply makeup for men. We apply makeup for ourselves, our inner selves. Because what if you apply for a man and then he cancels on you? Or worse, he doesn't even realize or recognize that you have makeup on? What a disaster. Do you guys see how much foundation makes a difference? Foundation is everything. If you don't buy anything else that is original, buy an original foundation. Another thing you need is a brush. Even though you don't have a foundation brush, you can use a beauty blender to apply foundation. You don't necessarily need a foundation brush, but if you can get a foundation brush that is round like this, then get one. But a powder brush is necessary. When you go out, you carry it, and you can go with your powder, and when you feel like you're sweating, you can just use it to powder down. The next thing that you need, that you must have, is a eyeshadow palette. It doesn't have to be this big. It can be smaller. This I got in DUBOIS, or is it DUBOIS, for 500 shillings. This is not expensive at all, and there are smaller ones for like 200 shillings. But this is the thing, when you get an eyeshadow palette, you have to make sure that you have these two things. First, you need a color like this one or this one, like on the reddish, orangish, pinkish side, so that you can use it as your blush. And it's important to put blush on your face in order to return color after everything. Then the other thing that you look for, but this is not necessary, but look for a shade that is darker than you. For me, it's maybe this one, or even this one, depending on the amount that I use. So these colors I use to contour when it comes to my nose, my cheeks, my cheekbone, my forehead, if I need to contour, but that's not necessary either. And of course, eyeshadow palette is for eyeshadow. So when I started out, I didn't use to apply eyeshadow because I was scared of color. I was scared of what color would do to my face. Would it be doing too much? And I didn't want to do too much. So I tell you guys this, don't be scared of color. Just when you're starting out, start out with something very simple, something very easy. For me, it was, when I started, it was this color, and you can see it's almost done because I dig in there almost all the time.
Nothing happens in the sun, not to you if you keep looking down. Nothing happens in the sun, not to you if you keep looking down. Nothing happens in the sun, not to you if you keep looking down. Nothing happens in the sun, not to you if you keep looking down.
The other thing that you will need is a liquid eyeliner. Guys, when I started applying makeup, I won't lie to you, I just started using this like 2 years ago. I bought this at DUBOIS for like 200 shillings. You need to buy this. It makes your eyes bigger, but you don't have to, okay? This is something that you grow into pole pole. I just baked on the bridge of my nose using this powder, the same powder. So the other thing you must have is a mascara.
There's something quick with bleeding now. Miracles couldn't save us now. Under this heat and all we need time.
So I think the powder is okay. I just dust it. And then the next thing I like to do is blush. And as I told you guys, blush can be found on eyeshadow palettes. You just need a bright color like this one.
Miracles couldn't save us now. Under this heat and all we need time is quicker than it seems.
Do you see the color has returned to my face? The other thing you can use in an eyeshadow, guys, is a shimmery eyeshadow, like this one or this one or this one or this one. A shimmery eyeshadow is good because it can be used as highlighter. At the end and at the bridge. The last and the final thing that you need is a good lip gloss or lipstick. I love red and I always have a good red lipstick. This one is Queen by Huda Cosmetics. It's one of my favorite red shades. And this one is Blossom by Huda Cosmetics. It's another favorite of mine. So mostly when I'm doing my lips, I like to line them, and I just use this Davis pencil to line my lips. And after I line, that's when I go in now with my red lippy. I love red. Red is just sexy, it's hot, it's everything. It smells amazing, guys. When you apply, don't forget the inner corners of your mouth. much for watching this video. As usual, if you got to this point, you're the best. Do not forget to click on that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends, family, groups, everywhere. Share guys. Just click on the share button and help me spread the word. I love you, fam, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.